Hey everyone, Matt here. Thanks for checking out this video. Today I want to show you a review of the VIZIO soundbar with the wireless subwoofer. I've had this for 3 years. I got it with the TV. Bought it separately, but at the same time when I got the TV, and I absolutely love this. They have the controls up here: power, Bluetooth, volume, and that is to change, I believe, the audio source. I have mine running right here with the optical, but you can do different connections as well. There's multiple options back there. And then what's nice about the subwoofer, you just got to run power to it and connect, and that is it. It will connect itself wirelessly. And then this is the remote. You can control everything from here: treble, bass, subwoofer settings, and there's some cool features that it has on there. It will like optimize sound as best as it can based off the surroundings. You can go to movie, music mode, things like that. And I just want to show you guys kind of what it sounds like. Let me see if I can unmute the TV here. Not sure if you can hear the bass. I can definitely feel it and hear it from over in there. But overall, it works really, really nicely. And what's really nice too is we have some other, other things connected to the TV. And as you can see right here, I'm using the actual TV remote, but you see those bars there is the volume. And I'm controlling that with the actual TV remote. So there's ways where you can set that up to where you don't have to use that remote as well to adjust the volume and things like that, unless you want to change some of the actual settings. I have mine optimized the way I like it, just for our room and the surroundings. But overall, it's been a great soundbar. It's not too big, fits perfect right up there on the mantle. And the subwoofer, it's nice, it just sits over there on the side. But it's definitely a really, really good soundbar. Again, first time I've had VIZIO is when I brought home this TV, and then also got the soundbar, and I've been really happy and pleased with the VIZIO soundbar. One additional feature I forgot to mention: since it is Bluetooth, you can connect your phone, laptop, anything like that, to the speaker itself as well via Bluetooth, and play it as an external speaker from another device. So if you just wanted to, let's say, like play some music from your phone or something, you can connect it Bluetooth to the speaker and play the music out that way. So overall, it's been a good speaker. I highly recommend it, guys.